Work and childcare. It goes hand in hand. The average family spends nearly $10,000 per child each year, according to Childcare Aware. The good news is that New Jersey is offering a resolution aimed at addressing childcare inaccessibility during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Any help from the government, regardless of what it is, would just ease everyone's fears and stress.
I am proud to announce the creation of the $250 million COVID Child Care Initiative, which will be run through the Department of Human Services.
These dollars would be a part of the federal coronavirus relief fund and would provide financial assistance to those families who meet the criteria. We spoke with a variety of mothers who can relate to this financial rabbit hole.
I think it's crazy that for one day you're spending $90 on one child going to daycare, let alone if you have multiple children. So as for two working parents who work full time, it doesn't necessarily make sense for both parents to work full time when you have more than one kid.
Well, we were paying sometimes $1,200 a month for that, which is also exactly what I was paying in rent without any of my utilities.
I toured a ton of places in New Jersey, called and interviewed places, checked mom groups, and there's like a wide variety of what was offered out there, but anything that felt safe or clean enough that you'd be comfortable sending an infant to was just crazy expensive.
According to the National Association for the Education of Young Children, centers are expected to increase their tuition and fees during COVID-19, creating an even further financial burden on parents.
Because now they have to pay extra to sanitize their daycare centers, as they should, of course. But because they have to have now smaller class sizes, because they can't have probably as many kids as they did before, and they have to sanitize more and more often, that all gets added into the cost.
A group of 900 parents with young children were surveyed by Fairleigh Dickinson University, and more than 1 in 10 parents said they quit their job to manage childcare. Women especially are beginning to rethink their career path.
In a world where women are still not getting paid as much as men get paid, it really doesn't make sense for a woman to go back to a job where she's making, I don't know, maybe $42,000 a year, so that she can pretty much send that money then over to daycare.
It would be a sad irony to have the 100th anniversary of the 19th Amendment, with all of its empowerment and opportunity, marked by women feeling like they had so few choices.
Families with incomes up to $75,000 that need full or part-time care due to remote learning schedules are eligible to apply for the grant, and tuition assistance will be available through December 30th. Reporting for New Jersey News Network, I'm Kimberly Kravitz.